everyone. Good morning mga crabbing. Another week, another crab. But it's been a while that the Lucanian boys do a crabbing. So like 2 weeks. And yeah, today let's try if we can again catch nice or decent crabs here. This is the place. Okay. As you can see, the weather is good. It's windy, but we'll see if we can catch a nice crabs or fish. Okay, come and join me today and see if we can catch nice crabs today. Okay, then good morning mga crabbing, and welcome back again to my channel, the Lucanian Boys Outdoors. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Okay, come and join me today. Okay, so you can see there's a one. Nice, pretty decent size mga crabbing. Yan. And see how big it is. Yeah, pretty decent size, 5 inches. So it's a keeper. Oh, there's another one. Oh, I think it's a female. Let's see if we can keep this one. It's a keeper or not, but see. Yeah, it's not that soft here on the one, so we can keep this one. I think it's a 5. Okay. Oh, it's another one. Nice, pretty decent size again. Okay. Not bad. Just put it right here. There's another one. Yeah, it's nice, pretty decent crabs here today. You go. All right. It's a keeper. Okay. That's another one. It's all female, but it's a keeper, you know. There's another pretty decent one. Crab. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. It's a keeper. It's nice. It's a crab again. All right. It's another pretty decent. It's another one. That you see how dark it is. It's it's green. I think this one is like I don't know. Nice. Okay. Tamuhog ka, boy. Nice one, big one, huh? Nice one, okay. See that? It's a big one, nice one. nice one. Pretty nice one. Right. All right, look at that, oh, it's a big one. Oh man, look at that, huh? Oh, yeah, and it's another one. So let's see how big it is. We'll measure it later. Oh. Sorry, buddy. Come on. Really? Look at that, what a shot. So yan mga karabing, we're done, and again, thank you for joining me today for crabbing. And I got some pretty decent size of crabs and one fish that I get today, and this is my new spot here. It's a nice one. Still there's a father and son getting fish there, so it's nice weather today and it's windy, and I think this is what got it. Here you go. This is a decent size. I mean, it's good, not bad. So again, another day, another crabs. So till next time again. And to all my followers, thank you, and to all my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel, Ilocanian Boys Outdoors. And thank you again, and have a good day, and God bless.